Episode 1, man. Daily vlog, episode 1.
Going up, elevate. Watch me demonstrate.
Oh no. Everything just scattered.
Champagne Perrier since 9-3, been in the box now, stepping up to home. Like straight out the sandlot, now I'm plotting on the globe. I work hard,
man.
show love, that calm and steady grind.
Oh man, I need to clean. Alright, with the magic words, blah blah.
Got no energy for haters. See you trying, see you later. See you later.
Wabbit, it's back to Ukraine. Check this out.
This here my year. Hey, look up here. This here my tier. Same fit 4 days. I grind 4 ways. I play no games. In the V12 and like 1.5. At 19, I cleared 19 in a month, no lie. Oh God. I was starving skinny, now my weight up, got no energy for haters. See you trying, see you later. See you later.
Oh la la. Good coffee. Good coffee. Good coffee. I think I gotta take it to the window. My coffee. So fam, as I was saying, this is just the first section, so I'm not really gonna talk much here. So yeah, if you were in Ukraine and you wanna collaborate on a YouTube video or something, like you need social media content, because like gimbal shots and things like that, you just contact me, contact Wabbit, man. You can follow me on my IG and Wabbitshot, my IG account Wabbitshot or Wabbit Vince. So man, coffee's good. Oh yeah, so not really gonna spend much time after that already. So I'm just gonna leave you guys with this short video of how I spent my vac in Canada. See ya, stay safe, double rock on, peace out.